our boat, MBCA Eva Sofia boat, mami sir. Okay, so always remember the name of our boat because later on in our destination, they're same size, same color, but different name. Always remember Eva Sofia boat, mami sir. So is that clear? Alright, so everyone, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Jermaine, but you can call me the boy, mami sir. Okay? So I'm the boy in the morning, but I'm the girl in the night. Okay? Since you are 26 person, I am my body's partner, Kuya Nonoy.
Morning.
And also, we have a 3 boat crew here in our boat. Kuya Jeric, mami sir, right there, wearing a black rash guard. And also our assistant boat captain, other than Kuya Julius. And also, we have a ship book at the back, mami sir, and Kuya Jeric. And we are still waiting to our boat captain. So, the boat captain, you can call him Jack Sparrow number 69. Okay? So everyone, if you have some question or suggestion, don't shy to approach us. Okay? So everyone, are you going tour C, right? Yes. Alright, so not tour A, not tour B, and even not tour D. Because if you are wrong sir or wrong boat, mami sir, you may have still time to go back. Not by boat, by swimming back, mami sir. Okay? So make sure all of you are going tour C. So everyone, tour C, we have a 5 destinations. First, we're going to the helicopter island. So from here, we're gonna travel just like 30 minutes approximately, okay? The activity in the helicopter island is more on swimming, picture taking, is snorkeling area, mami sir, okay? Then we're gonna stay there just like only 30 minutes, okay? And then after that, we're going to the Hidden Beach, mami sir. So I would like to remind you, Hidden Beach is the most famous here in part of Tursi. And that is the highlight of our tour, mami sir, okay? The Hidden Beach is good for snorkeling also and good for picture taking. And so those wanna go inside to the Hidden Beach, please bring your mask and snorkel because inside of that, there's a lot of clownfish or nemo, mami sir, okay? And then the third one will be our favorite area. You know that, everybody? So that is the lunch area, mami sir, okay? So we're going to the Tapiutan Island, Talisay Beach, mami sir, okay? We're gonna having lunch there, okay? And then after that, the fourth stop will be the Secret Beach, mami sir, okay? You know why it's called secret? Because for now, it's still a secret for you, mami sir. But if you get inside, it's not secret anymore, okay? And then the last stop will be the Matinlog Shrine, mami sir. So I would like to remind you about the Matinlog Shrine. So Matinlog Shrine is a private area. If you want to go in that area, you need to pay entrance like 200 pesos each, okay? It's optional if you want to go there, okay? Because the Matinlog Shrine is good for picture taking. And there's some smoke, hiking, and you can take some pictures. And that is also the highlights of the part of tours. Okay? Stand here. Makasaloy. Kasya. Dala pa to. Ayo, tutulak mo doon eh. Tulak na lang. pipili